Hello everybody, Darth Cards back again for another One Piece video. Today we're going to be opening some more OP-04 Kingdoms of Intrigue. Let's go ahead and grab a couple packs and get into it. Search for a manga continues. Probably will never get one, but there's only one way to get one is to try or to buy it. But I think it's more satisfying pulling it from a pack. All right, here we go. Banana Gator, Pound, Kuro, Sanji, Happiness Punch, Charlotte Sparrow, Barrier, Eric, Charlotte Moscato, Leo, Senior Pink, and Sanji. Struggled with that one. Definitely mess up, but that's okay. Here we go. Hanger, Orlumbus, Karoo, the cutest little duck, Yokozuna. The weak do not have the right to choose how they die. Randolph. Weakness is an unforgivable sin. Enchanting Vertigo Dance, Sasaki, Toko, Ingram, and Don Quixote do Flamingo. It's a nice one right there. Leader card in this one. Here we go. Tom, Kuro, Stussy, Roki, Happiness Punch. The weak do not have the right to choose how they die. Otama, Lao G, Mr. 3, also known as Galdino. Got a Leader Isho, Bartolomeo Hollow, and a Who's Who Hollow. Last pack, see what we get. Last pack magic, yes or no? Leave it in the comments. Ooh, got a Dawn card and a Leader card in this one, guys. Here we go. Miss Golden Week, also known as Marianne. Black Maria. Caramel. Ideo. Apis. Nefeltari Cobra. Enchanting Vertigo Dance, Suleiman, got a Leader Queen, Heavenly Fire, Diamante, and a Your Turn with Vivi on it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.